Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard nails. To truly strengthen your nails, we need to look at a holistic strategy. This isn't just about one quick fix, but rather a combination of nourishing your body from the inside out, providing external protection and adopting smart daily habits. We'll cover key nutrients, effective topical treatments, and simple preventative measures that, when combined, offer the most effective path to resilient, beautiful nails. Get ready to transform your nail health with a consistent, well-rounded approach. Your diet plays a fundamental role in nail health. Ensure you're consuming plenty of lean proteins, like chicken or fish, and healthy fats found in avocados and nuts. Biotin, a B vitamin, is particularly important. Aim for about 2,500 micrograms daily through foods or supplements. Additionally, incorporating collagen or silica can provide the building blocks your nails need to grow stronger and less prone to breakage. Remember, what you eat directly impacts the strength and appearance of your nails. External care is just as vital for strong nails. Make it a habit to moisturize your nails and cuticles daily with a rich oil, like jojoba or almond, or a specialized hand cream. Applying a good nail strengthener, perhaps one containing keratin or calcium, can create a protective barrier and reinforce the nail plate. Furthermore, always wear gloves when washing dishes or using cleaning products to shield your nails from harsh chemicals and excessive moisture, which can lead to weakening. Protecting your nails from physical damage is paramount. Resist the urge to use your nails to open cans or scrape labels, as this can cause immediate breakage and weakening. When filing, always move in one direction from the side to the center to prevent fraying the nail layers. Most importantly, consistency is key. Stick to your internal nutrition, external care, and protective habits every single day. With dedication, you will see your nails transform into the strong, hard nails you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.